Hello everybody. Listen up folks. You're getting ready to witness an awesome place here. It's very amazing. This place we can see wild horses, dolphins, all kinds of birds, and beautiful scenery. It's called Assateague Island. I'm Captain Mark. You can purchase my photographs on the boat or on my website, photographerimages.com. You can reserve your spots on the boat tour and the kayak tour at assateagueexplorer.com. Be sure to do the boat tour twice while you're here and the kayak tour twice, because this is why you're coming here. You're going to see a lot more when you go out on the boat and the kayak tour a couple of times, because the wild horses move around all day long, and so do the dolphins and the birds. So I hope you enjoy this video. Sit back and enjoy, and please leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe. And if you have any questions about your vacation here to Assateague Island and Chincoteague Island, well, give us a call or visit our website, assateagueexplorer.com, and reserve your spots right now. You're going to enjoy it here. I'm Captain Mark. My family's been here since the 1820s. I love taking photographs of the birds and the wild horses out here. You can purchase photos that I've taken when you're on the boat, or you can just sit back and enjoy the scenery. We love showing this place. It's very special to my family and I. The wild horses and dolphins and all these things that we grew up with here. And I hope you enjoy the photos and the video. This is just an example of the incredible photos and videos that you can capture when you're here with us. Get ready to be amazed by the beauty and wonder awaiting you. Watch all of this video and you will discover what you can experience firsthand. Don't miss out. Join us for an unforgettable experience as we see different herds of wild horses, dolphins, and other wildlife throughout the day. Every day is a unique experience. From the changing tides to the diverse wild horse behaviors, each day offers each one of you something new and exciting. Whether it's catching the wild horses in action as they run along the shoreline or through the water, or if it's just witnessing their feeding habits, there's always something different and very remarkable to see each day out here. Such a beautiful place for your family and friends to come visit. You are going to be so happy when you visit this place. This is such a historical place where amidst these tranquil waters, the birds and the wild horses have been roaming freely along the shoreline here for hundreds of years. All kinds of birds. If you like bird watching, you can look at the birds while you're looking at the horses at the same time. Along the eastern Atlantic region of the United States here in Virginia, this area serves as a vital stopover for numerous shorebird species during their migratory journeys. During the spring, summer, and fall seasons, Virginia welcomes an impressive array of shorebirds. As we conclude this video, let's remember the echoes of nature's melody. Until we meet again, may the beauty of these creatures linger in our hearts, reminding us of the harmony that surrounds us. Until next time, my friends, visit our website, AssateagueExplorer.com. Be sure to subscribe.